I was bored at home last Sunday. I was hungry at home last Sunday. There are a lot of berries and mushrooms in the forest. I was happy in the forest. The sun was shining. It was warm and nice. I was tired in the forest in the evening last Sunday. I was sad in the forest. There was no signal in the air. I was angry. No berries. No sun. No telephone. I was scared last Sunday. It was dark and cold in the forest. I was happy. My mom and my dad were happy too. Thank you. I love my parents. It was the first time I got lost in the forest. 1. The first. 1. Первый. 2. The second. 2. Второй. 3. The third. 3. Третий. The first. The second. The third. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. The seventh. The eighth. The ninth. The 10th.